The topic is adaptation. Before moving forward, can you tell me what's the literal meaning of adaptation? Okay, let me tell you. Adaptation is the process of changing one's behavior in accordance with the external atmosphere. Okay? It is the capability of a body to modify itself according to the external circumstances, we can say. Let's understand it a bit thoroughly. Okay, have you ever seen a lotus flower growing in the ground or a cactus growing in the water? You must be thinking I talk silly, right? See, this is not possible. Why? Because lotus flower grows in water while a cactus needs a dry, sandy soil to live. Let's see why that happens. The plants are found all over the earth in many different types of weather. And we know that some places get a lot of rain, some are very hot, and others are covered in ice all the year. Now, depending upon the area, depending upon the weather of different areas, we find different kind of plants in different type of areas. Let's see how. The climate and the soil type affect how plants look and grow. Actually, the plants develop special features to help them survive in the environment, and these features are known as adaptations. Exactly what I was talking about when I was telling you the literal meaning of adaptations, that the capability of a plant to modify itself in order to beat the external circumstances is known as adaptation. And the place where a plant or an animal lives is known as its habitat. Just like the place where we live is known as our home, right? The place where a plant or an animal lives is known as its habitat. It is the adaptation that help the plant survive well in their own habitat. Also, it makes it hard for them to grow in a different environment. That's why we cannot grow a lotus flower in the soil. Now here is the picture that represents different type of plants, or we can say trees, that we find in different areas. Like in deserts we find the cactus, in mountains we have the pine trees, in plains we have peepal or banyan trees, and in coastal areas we have palm trees or the coconut trees.